How to add gradient text on Wix. So you can add gradient color to your text by just hovering over and then clicking on a particular text. Now click on this edit text option, and then as you have done that, you can see here the text settings. Now click on this color option, and in here you can see the advanced settings as well as theme colors as well as your colors that you have available. So for this one, you can choose in here this advanced settings, and this will actually change the color default for this element it's connected to. Now, if you want, you can also click on then just try to delete some things. You can also edit out your theme colors, and you can see in here a preview of what it looks like. Now, for this one, for example, let's choose in here a gradient of black. So gray. So for the color picker, we have already connected the black, and it's already been added to that. Now, in order to make it gradient, you just need to add a highlight or a background or shadow in order to make this as good as possible. So, for example, if we use this, as you can see, this will actually interact with that. And if you change in here the effects, you can change out the color it will be assigned. So that's how you add gradient text on Wix.